Alright, we're here today with the new Pro Firearms 3-gun rifle. Do a quick little drive-by on it here. Have the Butcher 16 muzzle brake, 18-inch 1 1/8 twist national match barrel. This is our proprietary rail system. It's wearing a nice armament front grip. Come back to the back here. CMC match trigger, oversized safety, and a Magpul UBR stock. And of course you have the ergo grip. Overall great design, real nice tight. Everything's machined well. You'll notice on top of it, this is a March F 1 1/8 scope. This is their illuminated model with the FMC2 reticle. Also has 0 stop. Alright, now let's flip this over. Have a chance to check out the bolt carrier group. You notice it's the nickel boron plating. Alright, so we're going to zero this and we're going to do some quick drills to show you how awesome this rifle actually is in action.